next musical theater student performance. Please join me in welcoming Alyssa Payne, Paley Woods, Christina Jones, accompanied by Asher Denburg.
This hot summer has got me down. You can fry an egg on the street. Heat waves are wiggling on the sidewalk. Cops are dropping like flies on the beat. I need a new lover to take me in, protect me from this humid air. Be him from Brooklyn, Staten Island, or Queens. I don't care. It don't matter kind of loving you're into or how big your apartment might be. All you need is an air conditioner, and you're the man for me. Of Perrier, you can fan my fever brow. You can rub me down with alcohol. That ain't enough, know how. You can lay me in a tub of ice. You can stand me in a cold shower too. But if you don't have an air conditioner, I will not go home with you. It don't matter kind of loving you're into or how big your ego might be. All you need is an air conditioner. You are the man, you are the man, you are the man, you are the man, you are the man for me. I'm gonna die, I die. Come on, Berklee. Say you live in a penthouse. Say you live in a penthouse. You got a terrace with a view of the night. Well, that's swell, but I really must tell you, an air conditioner's a much prettier sight. It don't matter kind of loving you're into or how big your apartment might be. All you need is an air conditioner, and you are the man, you are the man. I don't care what kind of loving you're into